The food you consume can make or break your workout. Today, you'll discover how. Just as a car runs best with a full tank of gas, your body needs the right kind of fuel from food to perform at its peak during a workout. This isn't just about grabbing a banana or a glass of juice before you hit the gym. It's about what you eat before, and even after you've finished exercising. We're going to delve into the world of workout nutrition, giving you a comprehensive guide on what to eat, when to eat, and how it can enhance your performance and recovery. We'll discuss the importance of pre-workout meals, the ideal timing for these meals, and even dish out a few tasty and nutritious meal ideas. We'll also touch on the role of supplements and hydration in your routine. Ready to fuel your workouts effectively? Stay tuned. Before you even lace up your sneakers, let's talk about pre-workout nutrition. It's not just about what you put in your body, but when you do it, and in what combination. So, let's break it down. First up, carbohydrates. These are your body's primary source of energy, your fuel for that high-intensity exercise. Eating carbs before a workout can increase your glycogen stores and utilization, meaning you will have more energy and endurance during your workout. You'll be able to push harder, run faster, lift heavier. Carbs are your workout's best friend. And then there's protein. Protein isn't just for post-workout recovery, it's also crucial for your pre-workout regimen. It aids in muscle protein synthesis, muscle recovery, and growth. Consuming protein before hitting the gym can improve your overall athletic performance. It's like giving your muscles a little pep talk before the big game. But we can't forget about fats. Now, while they might not be as critical right before a workout, a balanced intake of healthy fats is essential for your overall health. They act as a fuel source for longer, moderate intensity workouts. So, if you're preparing for a marathon or a long bike ride, don't shy away from those healthy fats. But remember, not all fats are created equal. We're talking about the good fats here, like avocados, nuts, and seeds, not those trans fats hiding in your favorite junk food. So we've got our carbs for energy, protein for muscle strength and recovery, and fats for endurance. Together they form the holy trinity of pre-workout nutrition. But remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you. Now that we understand the what, let's move on to the when. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to fueling your workouts. When it comes to pre-workout nutrition, knowing when to eat is just as important as knowing what to eat. 2 to 3 hours before your workout, aim for a balanced meal. This should include carbohydrates for energy, protein for muscle recovery and growth, and healthy fats for overall wellness. This time frame allows your body to fully digest and absorb the nutrients, maximizing their benefits during your workout. As your workout approaches about an hour before, opt for simpler and easily digestible foods. Carbohydrates are still key here, but go for those that are quicker to digest. Pair them with some protein to help prevent stomach discomfort during exercise. Just remember, every individual is unique. So pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your timing accordingly. With timing down, let's get into some meal ideas. Scene script. Wondering what to eat before your workout? Here are some ideas. If you're planning to hit the gym 2 to 3 hours from now, aim for a balanced meal that combines carbohydrates, protein, and fat. This could be a whole grain sandwich packed with lean proteins like turkey or chicken breast. Alternatively, consider an egg omelet paired with whole grain toast and a side of avocado for that dose of healthy fats. Or, you might go for a plate of lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu, served alongside brown rice and a rainbow of vegetables. These meals are nutrient-dense and give your body ample time to digest and utilize the nutrients before you start your workout. Now, if you're about an hour or two away from your workout, you'll want to opt for simpler, easily digestible carbohydrates and some protein. This helps prevent stomach discomfort during your exercise. A protein smoothie made with your favorite fruits, a scoop of protein powder, and a splash of almond milk could be a great choice. Another option is a bowl of whole grain cereal with milk or oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and a sprinkle of nuts. If you're in a hurry, an almond butter sandwich on whole grain bread can also do the trick. These meals will provide a quick energy boost and are gentle on your stomach. Remember, these are just starting points. The best pre-workout meal for you depends on your individual nutritional needs, your workout intensity, and how your body responds to different foods. Some people might find that certain foods make them feel sluggish during a workout, while others might find that the same foods give them a surge of energy. So don't be afraid to mix things up. Try different foods and meal timings. Pay attention to how you feel during your workouts. Over time, you'll find the pre-workout meal strategy that works best for you. Remember, variety is key. Experiment and see what works best for you. Supplements can add an extra boost to your workout. Let's dive into some of the most beneficial ones. Creatine is a powerhouse supplement that enhances muscle mass, strength, and power. It's like the superhero of workout supplements. Then there's caffeine. Not just for your morning pick-me-up, caffeine improves performance, reduces fatigue, and stimulates fat burning. It's your perfect sidekick. Next up, we have BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids. These little guys decrease muscle damage and increase muscle protein synthesis. They're the repair crew, making sure everything's running smoothly. Then there's beta-alanine. This supplement increases muscle endurance and reduces fatigue. It's like your personal cheerleader, pushing you to go that extra mile. And lastly, we have multi-ingredient supplements. These are like the all-star team, combining various beneficial ingredients for optimal performance. They're a one-stop shop for your pre-workout boost. Now let's not forget about hydration. Water. It's more crucial to your workouts than you might think. When you're pushing your body, hydration becomes a key player in your performance and recovery. Why so? Well, water helps regulate your body temperature, lubricate your joints, and transport nutrients to fuel your body. It's a critical element that keeps the engine running smoothly. Now what about sodium? Sodium is a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining fluid balance in your body. It's lost through sweat during your workouts, and replenishing it can help prevent muscle cramps and keep you hydrated. So before you start your workout, make sure to drink enough water. During your workout, continue to hydrate, especially if you're sweating a lot. And don't forget to drink water after your workout to aid in recovery and rehydrate your body. Hydrated and fueled, you're ready for your workout. But what about after? You've pushed through your workout, now it's time to refuel. After a strenuous workout, your body is in recovery mode. It spent energy, depleted glycogen stores, and caused microscopic damage to muscle fibers. Post-workout nutrition is crucial as it aids in replenishing these lost nutrients, repairing muscle tissue, and promoting muscle growth. Firstly, let's talk about fluids. You've lost water and electrolytes through sweat during your workout. It's imperative to replenish these to prevent dehydration, which can hinder recovery and affect future performance. So, grab a water bottle and start sipping. If your workout was particularly intense or long, consider a beverage that contains a mix of water and 100% juice to restore both fluids and sugars. Next up, carbohydrates. Your body uses stored glycogen as fuel during exercise. Consuming carbs after a workout helps refill these glycogen stores. If you're training multiple times a day, aim to consume more carbs to maximize recovery. Ideally, choose high-quality complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Lastly, but certainly not least, protein. Protein is the building block for repairing and building muscle tissue. After a workout, your muscles are like sponges, ready to absorb nutrients. Consuming protein post-workout kickstarts the muscle repair process, promotes muscle growth, and can help reduce muscle soreness. High-quality protein sources include lean meat, fish, eggs, dairy, or plant-based options like beans, lentils, and soy. Remember, the timing of your post-workout meal also matters. Aim to consume a mix of carbs and protein within 45 minutes to an hour after your workout. This is when your body is most receptive to nutrient uptake. In conclusion, fluids, carbohydrates, and protein are the cornerstones of post-workout nutrition. They work together to rehydrate your body, replenish energy stores, and repair and build muscle tissue. By prioritizing these nutrients after your workout, you're not only aiding recovery, but also preparing your body for your next training session. By giving your body the fuel it needs, you'll be ready to take on your next workout head-on. Do you like this video? Put a thumbs up. Also, check out my other videos.